All right, welcome back. So, what I'm doing today, someone needs help with making a name tag or lanyard or something like that. So, they have a circle here that needs to be engraved out. They've got this that's going to get cut out. So, they'll have a circular item here and then a name listed here in the middle. So, I've already created it. Everything here is ready to go. The name has been converted from text to path. It's ready to be engraved right now. I've got the circles here, but the problem that the other person is having is that when you try to engrave, so the cut works just fine, engraving the name will work just fine, but when you engrave the circle, it fills in the entire circle. And that makes sense. And the reason why it makes sense is because if I were to make a circle right now, see how it's already full? It's filled in. And the reason it's filled in is because that's what would be engraved. When I try to engrave something, it's going to fill in the entire circle here. Okay. So when I don't want it filled in though. I want to make another circle. I want to just engrave just the interior portion of this right here. So what you might think that you need to do, um, let me go ahead and do this, is just make another circle, right? So by making another circle and then making it smaller, let's do it this way. That doesn't work. Even if I group the two together, where I'll go to group them both together. Now it's one piece. It still is two circles. And if I click this and I want to fill it in, it's going to fill in the entire circle. It's not going to do what we want it to do over here. So what I need to do is I need to cut out this inner circle from the outer circle so that when it fills in, it goes to the hole I make, and that's it. It's really, really simple, really easy to do. Same thing's happening over here. Like I said, if I want to fill this in, this is what I'm going to get. And we don't want that. So I have to cut it out. I have right now. I have these two circles that are here. I'm going to select them both, and you just go to Path Exclusion. And what that does is it just cut this hole right out of the bigger hole. I'm back to one piece again, right? So I can move both of them around here. And now when I fill it in, I'm only filling in. I cut the hole. There's nothing to fill in here. I cut the hole out. So when I go to fill it in, there's where I'm at. So now when I engrave, what I try to do is set my engrave to one color, my cut to another color. So my this is going to get engraved, this will be engraved. This will work out for me. So if I do this, I'm going to fill in this circle in a deep engrave right here, and then it'll stop, and I can put the name in the middle here. So I hope this solves your problem. If it doesn't, let me know. See if there's something else I can do to help.